Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. How you doing? I want to show you something. Let me show you this. I'm showing you this because I have a problem with battery driven tools sometimes, in that I don't like buying brand new batteries and all sorts. I would rather take one that somebody's selling and reuse it. So this is looking good. Let me show you what it's for. So periodically I will pick up a battery for this. This is a battery driver I had many moons ago, and the batteries die and the chargers can play up. Anyhow, bought another one for bargain price. But what I really want to show you is, so I needed a charger, I've got a battery, so now I've got a spare driver, which is great. What I really want to show you is, when you buy a second-hand charger, you've seen me clean the top out. Look at the state of this. Look at all the dust, and there's polystyrene. This can't be good. So I'm going to give this a clean down. So yeah, let's mention it. It's the Hitachi DN10 DY. It's fantastic. It's one of the shortest heads on a battery driver that I've ever seen. Great for boat building. This has been with me for, because it's that one, that's the new battery. This has been with me for 20 years or so now, 18 years. And they're really useful, very good, exceptional. Wouldn't be without it, so much so that, yeah, new battery. Let me show you the difference between the batteries and show you what you have to look out for, because there is a difference in them. So they've put a blue push button on here to unlock it, which is fine, which is great. The tops are still the same. It's still got T on there. It's got T over there. But look how it's got this extra S over here, and it's not on there. So this doesn't work in the new charger, and that doesn't work in the old charger. So there's a bit of messing around to do, but they both work in both of them. So they're still compatible. So I'm not throwing this away. I'm still going to keep it. But it's worth mentioning. So what I would do is clean all this down and make it as good as new. I've got the box still, which is great. And just keep recycling, just keep using these up when I see them, because they are worth having, and it's silly money to buy a new one when these are still available. Let's clean it down. Better. Just be careful with any of this lot. Don't want to disturb anything. Just want to get rid of the dust. That's better. Looks better, and it feels better knowing that it's clean inside. Let's just check the battery over. Looks okay. Covered in white paint. I'll leave that for a couple of days to dry now. So that's pretty much it. Leave it to dry, make sure it's all dried off before I plug it in, and then it's ready to go. If you want to support me, buy me a coffee is my preferred method of you supporting me. They take the smallest percentage. It just makes more sense to me. It should make more sense to you. Thanks for watching.